Hello students. In the previous class we have learned about chapter number 3. So let's start with the new chapter, fresh chapter, that is chapter number 4. This is a poem by Joseph Lauren. Okay, and the poem name is The Fox and the Grapes. So this is a poem. This is about a fox and fruit, that is grapes. So how the fox struggles for those grapes, okay, but at last he don't get that. So what is this struggling period and what was the outcome of that, that is given in this poem. So let's start. One summer's day a fox was passing through an orchard, and he wasn't hungry too, when suddenly his keen eye changed to fall upon a bunch of grapes upon the wall. So, one summer's day, a fox was passing through, means that was a summer, and the day was very hot. Okay? And an orchard here means a place where fruit trees are grown, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे fruits के like specific fruits you can say, like the orchid of an orange, of apple, of mango, orchid हो सकते हैं. So orchid is a place where fruits are grown. Only fruit trees जो है वहाँ पे उसकी वहाँ पे grow की जाती है. That is called an orchid. Faint he was and hungry too. Faint means weak. Faint एक होता है कि बेहोश हो जाना, okay? But in the poem, faint here it means weak, मतलब कमजोर. That means the fox was passing through the jungle on that summer day. He was hungry and he was weak and he was passing through an orchard, when suddenly his keen eye changed to fall upon a bunch of grapes upon the wall. And his keen eye means he was staring at, his keen means his sharp eyes, chance to fall means at sudden his eyes fall on those grapes, क्योंकि वो एक ऑर्किड के से पास कर रहा था. So there he observed that there was a bunch of grapes, but you can see in the picture also grapes upon the wall, like grapes is a creeper plant. So जो grapes है वो wall के ऊपर दिख रहे थे उसे, very clear, that was very clear, and he was hungry. Ha, just the thing, he said, who could resist it? He eyed the purple cluster, jumped and missed it. Ahem, he coughed, I will take more careful aim. And he sprang again, results were much the same, although his lips were desperate and hard. At length he paused to wipe a tearful eye and shrug a shoulder, I am not dry, and lunch is bound to come within the hour. Besides, he said, I am sure those grapes are sore. So, while he was passing through an orchard, the fox eyes fall on the bunch of the grapes, and he felt relaxed. उसे बहुत ही रिलैक्स फील हुआ, एंड ही कुड नॉट रेजिस्ट, मीन्स वो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रहा था. व्हाई? बिकॉज द फॉक्स वाज हंग्री, ही वाज इन डेस्परेट ऑफ हैविंग सम फूड. He eyed the purple cluster, the grapes you can see that is little bit in purple color, and jumped and missed it, and the fox tried to grab those grapes. जंप करके उसने ग्रैप्स को पाने की कोशिश की, बट इट ऑल वेंट वैन, मतलब कि उसे नहीं मिला. एंड ही कफ्ड लिटिल लाइक आई विल टेक मोर केयरफुल एंड ही सेड दैट ही विल टेक मोर केयरफुल एंड मीन्स अब इस बार जब वो जंप करेगा he will make sure that he will reach those grabs. And he sprang again. Sprang again means he jumped again. Results were much the same, and the results were the same. That means he was not able to grab those grabs. वो उन grabs के पास तक पहुंच भी नहीं पा रहा था. Although his lips were desperate and high. Lips means it is like to jump, okay, to a great height. Where desperate. Here desperate means wanting something very much, okay. So though his lips were desperate and high, means he wanted those grabs because the fox was hungry and it was a summer day. So the fox was not able to resist, control ही नहीं कर पा रहा था, and at length he paused to wipe a tearful eye, and because that was a summer day, at length he paused to wipe a tearful eye. Means wipe means ऐसे पोंछना. And shrug a shoulder. Shrug a shoulder here means raise and drop shoulders to show that you don't know or care about something. Like the position of the fox was like in that way. He posed to wipe a tearful eye and was like that. Okay, in this position that उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, and he will try hard. I am not dry, and the fox said that I am not dry. And lunch is bound to come within the hour. Bound means here means that is on the way. On the way means दोपहर का जो खाना है, that was the lunch. The fox was saying to himself that the lunch he was so desperately he wanted that, तो वो उसे मिलना ही है. He was that desperate and he was that keen observer. Besides, he said, I am sure those grapes are so. And after trying hard and hard, many times the fox tried to get or reach to those grapes, but it went bad. मतलब कि उसे वो grapes नहीं मिले. And at last, what the fox have to say? The fox said that I am sure those grapes are so. उसने कहा कि वो अंगूर खट्टे हैं. Why? Because the fox was not able to reach those grapes. और जब उसे नहीं मिला तो it was a excuse that शायद वो अंगूर खट्टे हैं इसलिए उसे नहीं मिला. And the fox went. So this is the poem about the fox and the grapes. Thank you, students.